What is up, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to create a free logo and a cover page for your Facebook business page. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And as well, you can check out other videos on the channel. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So I'll use Canva to create the logo. Alright, so I have tutorials on how to create Canva account and how to use Canva. So I'll put a link in the description box. So to create the logo, you can just search the template by clicking search up here and type logo. Alright, then you click on it, or you can click down here, logo. So both ways work. Alright, so very soon I'll create a tutorial on how to create a Facebook business page. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So when I drop that video, you'll be the first to watch it. Alright, moving on. Alright, so first of all, I'll create the brand name logo. Alright, so click on test, and I'll use this font because I like it. Alright, so I have two boxes here. I'll delete one. Then I'll use this, so I'll type in and I'll just minimize it a bit. Let's make sure we will center it. I'll click on effect, scroll down, click on curve, push it down, and I would like to curve it up. Okay, and push it a little down. Alright, so then I'll go back again, click on this, push it up, and delete this. When the line snaps, that means it's in the middle, alright? Then you let go of it. So this way, even the logo itself explains what the page is all about, okay? Depending on what you're going to use it for, you can use this for your website, social media handles, or a logo for a print on demand like t-shirts and stuff like that, okay? So now I'm going to create a background color. So click here, go here. I like this because this is my brand color, and I'll change this to white. This is the color palette, okay? Click white. I'll change this to white, and this I can change it to this color. All right, but let me enlarge this a little bit, so I'll go like that. So this is good. I'll keep it like this. You can use any font at all that you want. So I'm done with this. So what I'll do next, all right, so I have to optimize this logo because sometimes when people search on Google, it can pop up. I have the right keywords. Okay. Download, and I'll click download. All right, so let's load it up on Facebook. Go back to Facebook, click on this, edit profile picture, upload photo. So click on it, then open. So let me just close this. Then if you are satisfied with the way it looks, click save. Bam, that's the first option. And the second option, so I'll close this, on logo again. So what I'll do next, I'll do the brand image. So with the brand image, you have to click on upload to upload your, then you click upload photo. So next I'll remove the background image. So you click on it, then you go to effect, background. So this is it. So I'm just using this as an example. So you can choose to keep it like this, depending on what you need. Or like for instance, I want my brand colors. Click here, here, then click this. So this is how you create brand image logo. So go up here and optimize the photo. So with this, I'll just name it Blogsdom. When you are satisfied with it, you just have to come up here and click download. I'm done with the logos. So I'll show you how to create a cover photo. So let's go back to Canva, search for Facebook cover. I can create it from scratch, or I can take one of the templates, for instance like this one, and I'll work with it. Since I've shown you how to create the logo from scratch, same thing when you click here, blank. What I did when I was showing how to create the logo is the same thing you're going to be doing. So, but in this case, I'll show you how to use the template, just so you know how both work. Okay, so I'll click on this. I don't like this text font, so I'll delete it. Click on it and delete. So I'll delete this box, delete element, click on this one too, I don't want it. So you don't click on delete group, just click on delete element, okay? Because if you click delete group, watch, everything will go away, see? You don't want that. So click on undo, then it's back. So click on it, then delete element. I like when everything is on one line, so in that case, I have to, because I don't want to lose anything when I upload on Facebook. So I'll change this to another color like this one. Or if I want, I can go with my color. But because of this, Control C, Control V, and click on this and push it up a bit. Just to give it like a fancy design. Alright, then next, now we need to find some images. So click here. Alright, so this is about business and making money online. I can use. So still on the same page. But make sure it says free, okay? Because if it's not free, you have to pay. So let's see, it says if I want to use something like this, it's free. This is free. This is pro. So pro, you have to pay. But I'm a member, so I don't have a problem with that. So let's say I want to use this. So something simple like this. But if not, you can create the video version. And I have a tutorial on that. And I'll drop it in the link in the description box as well. So if I don't want the background, I can click on it, go to colors. Let's say I want complete color like this. If I want it like this is how it's gonna be. But I'll optimize it. Then what I'll do, I will type FB cover. So anytime somebody type Facebook cover and they want to know how to do it, even though this video will be on YouTube, it's going to pull up on Google. For SEO purposes, this is good. So next, I'll click on download. And as you can see here, because I'm a member, so even though I use the pro versions of these images, it's not asking me to pay. Then click download. All right. Then I'll go back to Facebook page and I'll click on edit, remove image, confirm, edit, upload, then click on this. Alright, so this is it. I'll try to make sure everything is on the page. So it says drag to reposition, so drag it slowly down here. I'm lucky because in my case I don't have anything down to the exact size. So if you are satisfied with the position, then click save. So this is how it's gonna look like officially. I can change it whenever I want. So this is how you create a logo and a cover photo for Facebook business page. Alright, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss my next video. Alright, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.